Take a look at our case studies to hear how using the materials is improving teachers' subject knowledge, helping with workload, improving outcomes, and inspiring children to love maths. Teachers have set up a Power Maths group on Facebook, which is a great place to connect with a community of peers and share ideas. The best feedback we get is from children who are challenging themselves and enjoying their maths lessons. Here are some adventurous children from the Meadows School in Staffordshire, modelling a growth mindset approach in their school.
Hi, I'm Astrid. I'm not afraid of a challenge or to make mistakes.
I'm Ash. I'm curious and inquisitive. I love asking questions to find new ways of solving problems.
Hey, I'm Flo, and I am flexible. I like finding new methods to solve problems.
Hey, I'm Dexter. I'm always determined and I never give up.
I'm Sparks. I'm super helpful. I like reminding you of things you need to know.
Maths is so much fun at the Meadows.